Are you looking to make some quick money using AI tools? Welcome, savvy innovators and go-getters, to a world where artificial intelligence isn't just a buzzword, but a powerful arsenal in your financial success toolkit. In this enlightening exploration, we're going to uncover the top AI tools that could turbocharge your earnings in no time. We'll be delving into the realm of chatbots, those digital assistants that can turn your website into a customer magnet. Then we'll unveil the crystal ball of business, predictive analytics, that allows you to foresee market trends and make wise decisions. But that's not all. We'll also explore the visual genius of image recognition software and the personalized prowess of AI-powered marketing tools. Both of these can streamline your operations and amplify your marketing efforts, leading to a significant boost in your bottom line. So are you ready to revolutionize your earning potential? Stay tuned as we dive into these fantastic AI tools that could potentially boost your earnings. First up on our list is chatbots. Imagine having a virtual assistant working around the clock, ready to answer any queries and guide customers through your website or online platform. That's essentially what chatbots are: AI-powered tools designed to simulate human conversation and interact with users. Chatbots can be a game changer for businesses, especially in today's digital age. They're like tireless customer service representatives, always available to provide instant responses to customer queries. This can significantly enhance customer experience and satisfaction, which in turn can lead to increased sales. Let's take a quick dive into the world of chatbots. They're designed to understand and respond to text or voice input from users, whether that's a question about a product, a request for recommendations, or a need for technical support. What's more, with advancements in AI and machine learning, chatbots are becoming increasingly sophisticated and capable of handling complex interactions. Now you might be wondering, how do businesses benefit from chatbots? The answer is simple: by improving efficiency and customer engagement. Chatbots can handle multiple customer interactions simultaneously, freeing up human staff to focus on more complex tasks. This can lead to significant cost savings and improved operational efficiency. Let's consider some real-world examples. Companies like Uber use chatbots to allow customers to book rides directly from their messaging apps. Similarly, Starbucks has a chatbot that lets customers place orders via voice command or text. These are just a couple of examples of how businesses are leveraging chatbots to enhance customer experience and drive sales. Moreover, chatbots can also gather valuable customer data, providing insights into customer preferences and behaviors. This data can be used to refine marketing strategies and tailor offerings to meet customer needs, further driving sales and growth. In conclusion, chatbots are more than just a trendy tech tool. They're a powerful AI solution that can automate customer service, generate leads, and amplify sales. So chatbots are a great tool for automating customer service and generating sales. Now let's move on to our next AI tool. Next, we have Predictive Analytics. Now, what exactly is Predictive Analytics? It's a branch of advanced analytics that uses a variety of techniques, including artificial intelligence and machine learning, to analyze current and historical facts to make predictions about the future. Imagine having a crystal ball that could tell you what's likely to happen in your business. That's essentially what Predictive Analytics does. It takes the guesswork out of decision-making and gives you data-driven insights to base your strategies on. For instance, Predictive Analytics can help you forecast customer behavior, identify potential risks, optimize operations, and even predict market trends. Let's take a real-world example. A retail store can use predictive analytics to determine which products are likely to sell out and when. This information can be used to manage inventory effectively, ensuring that the store always has the right products in the right quantities. This not only prevents stockouts and overstocks, but also improves customer satisfaction, leading to increased sales and profits. Another example is the use of predictive analytics in the finance sector. Banks and insurance companies can use it to assess the risk associated with a particular loan or insurance policy. By predicting the likelihood of default or claim, they can make informed decisions and mitigate potential losses. Predictive analytics can also be a game changer in the marketing domain. It can help businesses understand their customers better, predict their purchasing behavior, and tailor their marketing strategies accordingly. This leads to more personalized customer experiences, more effective marketing campaigns, and ultimately, higher return on investment. As you can see, predictive analytics is a powerful tool that can drive business growth and profitability. It's not just about predicting the future, It's about understanding the present in a way that allows you to shape the future of your business. Predictive analytics can help you anticipate market trends and make informed decisions. Now, on to the next AI tool. Another great AI tool for making quick money is image recognition software. Now, you might be wondering, what is image recognition software, and how can it help you make money? Image recognition software is a type of artificial intelligence that can analyze images and identify objects, faces, and even text. It's like giving your computer a pair of eyes. Now, how does this translate into money? Image recognition software can automate tasks, freeing up your time to focus on more strategic aspects of your business. For instance, let's consider inventory management. Traditionally, keeping track of inventory is a laborious task, requiring manual checks and updates. However, with image recognition software, you can simply snap a picture of your stock, and the software will recognize and count the items for you. This not only saves time, but also improves accuracy, minimizing costly mistakes. Another example is quality control. Let's say you're in the manufacturing industry. Image recognition software can scan your products as they come off the assembly line, identifying any defects or inconsistencies. This allows you to catch and address issues early on, preventing costly recalls or customer dissatisfaction. And it's not just about automating tasks. Image recognition software can also help you gain insights and make informed decisions. For instance, retail stores can use image recognition to analyze customer behavior, identifying which products are most popular and which areas of the store attract the most traffic. These insights can inform store layout, product placement, and even marketing strategies, maximizing sales and profits. There are numerous real-world examples of businesses benefiting from image recognition software. Take Amazon, for instance. They use image recognition to improve their warehouse efficiency, reducing the time it takes to locate and pick items. Or consider Pinterest, which uses image recognition to provide more accurate and personalized recommendations, enhancing user experience and engagement. In conclusion, image recognition software can automate tasks and increase efficiency, providing a significant boost to your bottom line. It's yet another powerful AI tool that can help you make quick money. Now let's move on to our final AI tool. Lastly, we have AI-powered marketing tools. These are ingenious applications that leverage artificial intelligence to analyze customer data and craft personalized marketing campaigns. They're like having your very own marketing assistant who never sleeps, constantly working behind the scenes to maximize your reach and impact. So, how do these tools work? They start by collecting a vast amount of data from various sources such as social media platforms, email interactions, website analytics, and customer feedback. This data is then processed using sophisticated algorithms to identify patterns, trends, and customer behaviors. Then, the real magic happens. The AI uses this information to create personalized marketing campaigns, targeting each customer with messages that resonate with their preferences, behaviors, and, crucially, at the right moment in their buyer's journey. It's all about delivering the right message to the right customer at the right time. Now let's delve into some real-world examples. Consider a fashion retailer who wants to increase customer loyalty. They could use an AI-powered marketing tool to analyze purchase histories, identifying which customers are likely to be interested in their new collection based on past buying behavior. The tool could then automatically send personalized emails or notifications to these customers, enticing them back to the store with the latest styles they are likely to love. Or think about a restaurant owner wanting to boost their midweek sales. They could use AI to analyze their booking data, pinpointing which customers usually dine at the weekend but might be enticed by a special midweek offer. The tool could then send targeted messages to these customers, turning quiet Tuesdays into bustling nights. AI-powered marketing tools are revolutionizing the way businesses of all sizes connect with their customers. They are creating a level playing field where even small businesses can compete with larger competitors by delivering highly personalized and timely marketing campaigns. AI-powered marketing tools can help you reach the right customers at the right time. Now let's wrap things up. With these top AI tools, you can start making quick money today. Let's recap what we've covered. We kicked things off with chatbots, your own digital customer service agents, ready to generate leads and boost sales 24/7. Then, we dove into the world of predictive analytics, a tool that makes you a fortune teller in your own business, enabling you to make data-driven decisions that increase profits. We then explored image recognition software, the AI tool that helps automate tasks like inventory management and quality control, freeing up your time and increasing efficiency. And finally, we looked at AI-powered marketing tools, your secret weapon to reaching the right customers with the right message at just the right time, leading to increased sales and profits. In a world where time is money, these AI tools are your fast track to success. So what are you waiting for? Begin your journey with AI today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on using AI for financial success.